All right, so I came out right here. It looks like it continues over here. Not real well marked though. Jump line is not done yet. Skate park is kind of cool looking. Yeah, it's like right here. But I'm gonna try this jump line. Wow! Yeah, that step up is poopy head. Here I am again at the KEENE jumps, and they're actually a little more done.
On this trip, I learned that the correct pronunciation is KEENE for this area.
Oh, that's a gap. Won't be hitting that today, I don't think. They look pretty, whoops. They look pretty washed out, but they're not quite done with them. But the expert loop is done. It looks like kind of maybe sorta. I was kind of hoping they'd be a little more done. But this is my first stop in Duluth, so. Okay. Yeah, they're gaps. Yeah, they're not. I thought they were gonna be more done than this. Holy cow. Yeah, those gaps are really intimidating from up here. Oh, this is my second on the easy stuff. The easy stuff is easy. Oh, that guy tells me maybe I should just go for it. Whoa! Yeah, sweet. Oh, a little bit loose there. That's what I gotta watch out for, looseness. Okay. Is this supposed to be the easy line? Another easy line? That's what it looks like. Well, that's a little bigger. Well, this is a table, so I'm gonna try to hit it. I wanna see what this is over here. Gap, unfinished.
Walking around and checking this place out is essential, especially now, as there's a lot of stuff that's not finished, but there's a lot of stuff that's actually runnable here.
When this is all done, that's gonna be sweet. This is the reverse easy jump line. I'm just gonna roll these because I want to see what they're like. Yep, they're a little loose. But this one looks a-okay. Nope. I can definitely get speed for it. My riser. It's a little bit hard to do. It really is. I'm cranking like crazy. There, I think I got it that time, but I kind of bumped it a little bit. Oh, I say that was cleared. I don't like how loose it is here because that means it's going to be loose at Spirit Mountain too. There's a big table past this other jump. And I think if I can get up on that and roll it. So I'm going to try the little jumps. And I'm going to try to turn right after this one. Right, I'm going to try this craziness. Obviously I'm not clearing that one. I turn, go up on this. Yeah, see, I'm in line now with this one. Okay, I might try that. Okay, there's two chances for this. One is to hit the first two jumps and clear them and turn. Yeah, I don't feel like I'm getting enough speed at all. So I think I'm done. Okay, I'm gonna ramp up to this gap. Let's see how it feels. Yeah, I think I could take that.
I definitely wasn't feeling into gap jumps this trip, and I kind of bypassed a lot of the gaps in Duluth, although I think they are sendable. Word of the wise, though, is to check stuff out like I did here and roll around. That was key to kind of check things out, see what I was doing, and make me feel more confident about what I was doing, because after all, my crash did set me back quite a bit, but This was my first trip out, really, since then, and I was still getting my bearings, and this was a perfect spot and place to start my Duluth trip, for sure.
What's next? Spirit Mountain, right? Well, maybe. I'm thinking about doing the Duluth traverse.